Hey, what's going on, guys? Mustang 23T here. Finally received my package from CJ Pony Parts. This is the Barton Industries Shift Knob for automatic Ford Mustangs from 2015 to 2017. I think you can use this on 2018 as well. So I just want to do a quick video unboxing, and then I'm going to do a video of the install as well, so you guys can check it out. Right off the bat, you can see that the packaging, it's reinforced with industrial staples and whatnot, so really great packaging from CJ Pony Parts. I've already started opening it up a little bit here, so let's see what we got. Alright, so we have just a packing slip or whatnot. Some good protection, inner protection, and then there's another box, which is where the shift knob comes in. Also using high grade carton with industrial staples, which is really great. This has great protection so that you basically don't get a damaged product or whatnot. I'm gonna go ahead and stop the video because this is a little hard to do this with one hand, so you guys can see what's inside. Alright guys, I got the box open. More protection inside the box, which is really great as well. Comes with the kit that's going to be installed here with a tie wrap, the little springs here, the tool, everything necessary for you to install. It even comes with the little thread locker paste or whatnot, which is great, so that way you don't have to go out there and buy one. Got the little ball knob here, really great. As you know, my color combination on my car is red and black, so had to keep the theme going. So red and black accents here on the shift knob. This is made out of billet aluminum, high quality grade, really heavy and super solid. And then here is the actual part that goes on the bottom, if you will, the little, where the little round knob goes on top. So bear with me here for a second. These are packaging struggles. And there it is, guys. This is the actual threaded bottom piece. Also got it in the black accent as well. Comes with a little lube, so it's easier for installation and whatnot. So this is how it looks more or less, so you guys can see, right? So this will go here, and then you're gonna have your new little shift knob. Nice little touch up for the inside. A little pricey, costly or whatnot. It does run for $149.99, and I don't see the price going down, so that is a little bit expensive, but I think it's worth it. The quality is pretty good. Of course, you know, for $149.99 to not get any performance or whatnot, it's a little overrated, but hey, it's great. This is something I decided to do for the inside of the car, so hope you guys like it. I'm gonna go ahead and do a video of the install so you guys can see how it looks. But if you have any questions, comments, go ahead and comment below. As always, please like, subscribe if you can to support the channel. Mustang 23T, I'm out. Have a very blessed day.